Is that 10 millimeter? Oh, hey, how's it going, guys? It's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been several months since we've even had anything on the channel. By that saying, anybody who's new, old, coming back, just finding this channel, welcome. This is Cabdriven. Yeah, we're still doing car reviews. We're getting a lot of stuff lined up, working with a lot of dealerships. We're trying to get some more lined up. We're just trying to get this channel going, and I have a full-time job, so it's a little on the slower side, trying to get things going. But I have bought a vehicle. I figured I'd share that one with you. I do have the Cobra still. Right now, it's like a shelf. Don't ask too many questions about that. That is still gonna get done this year. I have bought another vehicle. This vehicle is pretty unique. Same color as the Cobra, the dark shadow gray. And here it is, right here. It's a 2002 Harley Davidson F150. I know what you're thinking. Bro, why would you even get one of those, man? They're just... But you understand this. It's like an SVT Lightning. Everything's Lightning, basically. The rear end, the engine, the front end, the tranny. Everything's Lightning except for the body. The body is a four-door F-150. I bought it for a really good price. $9,000 what I paid for it. Went ahead and got new rims for it. It also, the truck rides like absolute dog shit. Rides like a goddamn dragster. It's horrible, absolutely horrible. So we bought new wheels. We're gonna put those on today. You know, just take a look at this thing. Take a look at it. Give me just a second here and I'll show you guys what the wheels we just got for this. Here we are. I'm excited from SVE. Here we are. I looked at a lot of wheels. There we are. There we are, SVE. They are 20s. We kept them 20s. They're 20 by 9. So tires that are on it, that are 285s, will go right on these wheels. And boom, look at that, guys. Ooh, it looks so much better. They're silver. These are the 03 SVT Lightning wheels from SVE. That looks so much better than that damn chrome. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to have more little, it's a mini series with this truck. We're just going to have a little mini series. Our first video going out for our next car review will be the Ford Raptor Bronco. Hopefully we can get a hold of one. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Corey. Stay tuned. We're going to have more, just a little mini series with that truck. Damn, I look old. A little mini series with that truck, just kind of getting it back to where it should be. We are going to have more car reviews for you guys, so please stay tuned for that. Other than that, y'all have a great day, and we'll see you guys next time. Love y'all.